This is happening in Hakha, Chin State, the western part of Myanmar. The 22nd day of non-violent demonstration in Hakha. This is the second day of police using force to disperse the group of non-violent anti-coup demonstrators in Hakha. The demonstrators in Hakha are gathering at the Carson Hall at 2 in the evening. Before they are rallying along the street, the armed policemen and some armies arrived at the rally point together with 3 vehicles such as an army truck, a water cannon, and a police truck. They warned the demonstrators that they will disperse the group by force if they do the demonstrations. Besides, the fully armed policemen in the number of 30 blocks the street. In spite of threatening, the demonstrators do not stop showing their desires by shouting slogans and continue against the juntas. This is the second day of police using force to disperse the group of non-violent anti-coup demonstrators in Hakha. And after that, a pastor is praying for all the police, armies, and for all the demonstrators, as seen in the Bible. Pray for your enemy. This is the voice of the people. We are being attacked with the water cannon by the police and the armies today. Most of the youths take in the front lines to protect the public. This scene makes me angry in one way, but on the other hand, when I think it back, this anger will make us more united, make us participate in this harder, and help each other. While we are being attacked today, we do not know how to protect the people. But I also believe that many more people will come up for it. This revolution must be won. Despite the warning, non-violent demonstration is carried out, but in another route. We have common hopes to get the federal democracy and to defeat the dictatorship, which are our hopes. Since we are very united while fighting, and as we have already kept in mind to win this, this is the reason why we have the courage to sacrifice. A word of encouragement is given. When we are looking at the activities of Hakha youths during rejecting the dictatorships, we can see 3 benefits of it to my mind. Firstly, Chin youths never unite like this before. We separate from each other and we used to do things individually. As a result of this chaos, the youths in Chin become very united. Secondly, we can see that we dare fight the fear and we can deny living under the fear right now. Thirdly, I can see that senior citizens are helping to fight this battle by saying prayers for all the demonstrators, meaning we are religious. With these 3 benefits, our place will develop. We will defeat for sure. From today's demonstration, 3 people, including the CEO of Hakha Times, the local newspaper publication service, and a pastor, have been detained by the police. Later this evening, the council officially announced that they would release the detainees tomorrow. This is happening in Hakha, Chin State, the western part of Myanmar. Hear our voices.